Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Appleways. In today's video, we're going to see how you can fix your missing iCloud photos. Well, there are quite few processes that you can try, so let's dive right into it. So the first thing that you can do is simply just open your settings. So after opening your settings, make sure that you are using the correct iCloud account. Here you can see your name right here and make sure that this is your account. So after making sure that, now what you're going to do is simply just tap on your account. And after doing so, here you can see there is the option of iCloud. Tap on iCloud, and in here you can see there is the option of photos. Tap on photos, and currently here you can see sync this iPhone is turned off. You have to tap on this sync this iPhone just like this and turn on this toggle button. So after doing this, all of the photos will be synced to your iCloud. So right now here you can see there are no currently space available on my phone. So the next thing is to make sure that you have enough storage. So you can go back and try to delete the unnecessary videos, photos, or file that you have on your phone and try to sync your iCloud photos with your phone. So after syncing it, you can go back to the Photos application on your phone and try to find it if it is available on your photos or not. So after syncing your photos with your iCloud account, I'm pretty sure you will be able to find your photos that you were looking for. But if you still can't find it, you'll have to try to update your software, for which you can simply just go to your settings, and on your settings you can tap on general, and in here you can see there is the option of software update. Tap on software update, and currently I don't have any kind of update needed to my phone. So if there are update available, there will be the option of update now, so you have to tap on it, and like this you can update your software. So after doing all of these things, hopefully you can find your missing photos on your iCloud photos. And yeah, that is it. Do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much. See you in the next.